How can you reduce storage cost in your project? Use transient tables wherever suitable. If you are working in a data warehouse where you have data loaded in batch mode, you need that data for a maximum period of 1 day, during which you will process that data and load it to the target Snowflake tables, which are generally permanent. This data is generally easily replicable by pulling it again from the source files. In this scenario, it makes sense to use transient tables as they have no failsafe, and not having failsafe means saving in storage costs. Set time travel period on a permanent table to a suitable level. Enterprise Edition and above of Snowflake support time travel of up to 90 days. And while it can be very tempting to set all permanent tables to 90 days of time travel, tables that have a high rate of update and delete will very quickly occupy large amounts of storage if the time travel period is very large. Your time travel period on your Snowflake table should generally be in line with your company's data backup strategy and should not be greater than 14 days generally. Identify unused objects and drop them if not required. As we work on our projects, we end up creating a lot of data and tables over a period of time, which lose their relevance. We should periodically remove such data objects. Cleaning up of junk tables saves a lot on storage space. We should focus on creating automations like stored procedures to locate and drop such objects which have not been used for over a year. Use of temporary tables is also encouraged. Use temporary tables if the data is not required after the session is completed. This typically happens when you have an ETL process that needs a temp table to do intermediate calculation before it loads the data into the target table. This data is not required once the ETL process is complete. So these are the various ways we can reduce storage cost in our project. With that, we conclude this question. If you have the time, please join me in the next question.